Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel.
Now I will show how to delete your Facebook account permanently. First of all, you log in your account, Facebook account, any web browser using. Then go to the address bar. Then facebook.com/help. Then slash delete account. This link given to you below description option. Then click the delete account. Then input your Facebook password to again confirm if you want to delete this account. Then continue. Now given the notification to you are about to permanently delete your account. If you are ready to delete it, enter your password and click delete account. You will have 30 days to reactivate your account and cancel the deletion. If you want to delete, then click the delete account. Now your account is permanently deleted. If you want to reactivate your account, then within 30 days or scheduled date, you log in your Facebook account, then reactivate your account again. Here I inputting reactivating my account again. Then you cancel the deletion. Now my account is active. If you want to activate your account, then you can re-log in within 30 days. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. If you like this video, share and comment, press the bell icon.